Hey guys, and welcome to the Java installation tutorial. Let's not waste any time, and let's get started. First you have to download Java installation file. I just go to my Chrome browser. I'll just type download JDK, and I already know that this one works best for me. And I've had problems with downloading older versions, so I'll stick with Java 13 for this tutorial. Let's click download. What do we have here? We have to accept license agreement or whatever it was written there, and I'm choosing this Windows 64 bits system exe file. So you just click on it and installation will start immediately. I've already downloaded this Java installation file before, so I'll just keep this. So now let's go to our downloads folder. We can go to this folder from this place, like to downloaded folders. And I'll click this one. And now you have to allow Java to make changes into your computer. You definitely can trust this file, yes, or tag. Let's see, you can just click default values here. That's okay for me, like program files, Java JDK 13, blah blah blah. Next. It will take some time, so I'll speed up this process in the video so you won't wait. What do we have here? Successfully installed. Click next steps to access tutorials. We don't need that, so we don't need that for now. I'll just close it. Go to your desktop, Windows key plus D. So guys, first you have to set up environmental variables. To do that, first go to my computer, drive C program files Java, where you installed your Java. I installed my Java here. So you have to right click a little bit at the right of this, and now you can copy it. Ctrl+C, copy. And now you have to go actually to your environmental variables settings. Find my computer, right click on it, properties, then go to advanced system settings. Guys, my computer, my Windows machine is in Polish language, so you can just click where I'm clicking and it will be fine. I'll tell you names of the buttons. So environmental variables. Next you have to find pass environmental variable. Here I have one. If you don't have one, you always can create new one by pressing this new button, but I have one and I have to click 2 times on it and paste our copied folder, pass to our Java, to our bean. Actually, remember this is important. Okay, now we have to create our Java home variable, just new. Name it like with capitals. I'll press caps lock Java home, like that. And value for this variable will be like passed to our Java without being at the end. Okay. So everything is okay now. Our Java is installed. Now our environmental variables is set, and now this is a show time, and we can actually try our Java and see all the power of it. I'll go to command prompt, just type cmd like that. I forgot to press caps lock, so again cmd just to do it right. Now we have to choose this one, cmd, and we at the command prompt. Now we can see if our Java installed just by entering Java word and press enter. And what do we have here? All of this helpful stuff we don't care about for this time, but it's great. We see our Java installed and our computer see it. Next, I'd like you to put your hands actually on the Java, and I prepared like code snippet. I will not type as this tutorial. Your time is just valuable, I know it, but I prepared this code snippet, opening with Notepad++ to show you what is there. Here it is. We wrote out our Java class in multiplication table.java folder. If you're new to this, you don't have to worry about all the stuff. For now, I'd like you to run this file and just feel all the power of Java. What we are doing here? Here we have a string variable, like text variable. We'll print out in our command prompt. See this text, we'll print it here. We'll print one more break to better formatting. Here we have integer variables for row and column we use in here, and we print our multiplication table just line by line. And here we have 13 arguments in row and 13 arguments in our column. So the largest multiplication number in our multiplication table will be 13 by 13, like 169 and 69. Here we put in some formatting. I'll explain what it means. This first digit 1 is responsible for first arguments. We only have one argument and it will be first. Here we tell in to put 5 spaces, and our variable will be a string like text. So don't worry if you don't understand for now all this stuff. And next we just printed all our builded before multiplication line. And important thing, we have to have here a main method. Syntax is for this main method like this. So we always wanna have main method if we wanna run our Java program. This is place to start. So here it is. Just take a look where our Java file saved. Drive C, Java installation tutorial, multiplication table.java. Okay, so let's go to our command prompt. Let's go to this folder, cd c drive C, drive C, Java installation tutorial. multiplication, no, just like that. So to compile our Java file, we have to enter Java C, it stands for Java compile, and file name multiplication table.java. Enter it, takes some time. Our file compiled. So now we can run this. And one more, I'll show what we get in here. We get in here also our compiled file. So we have to run this compiled file to get the work of our program. Just put in Java and multiplication table without class extension. Put enter. And what do we have here? Our multiplication table. Congratulations. Just stop the video at the I'll make it like this. Just stop your video at this code snippet and write it like it is. You can modify these variables and play with it a little bit. So that's it for now. I wish you the best. So if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Write comments, what do you think, if you have any questions. So see you guys, take care.